Zebras are awesome. That part's obvious. But why do they have stripes? Is there an actual purpose behind them? Or did evolution just decide to have some fun with design? And the classic question, are zebras black with white stripes or white with black stripes? Let's break it down. Scientists have been trying to solve the zebra stripe mystery for more than a century. The earliest idea was that stripes create an optical illusion, making the zebra harder to see in bright light, a kind of natural camouflage glitch. Researchers at the University of Calgary decided to test this. They ran digital images of zebras through filters that simulate how lions and hyenas see the world. Turns out predators can spot zebras just fine, about as well as they spot antelopes. And since these predators rely mostly on smell, not sight, camouflage wasn't the winning explanation. Another theory suggested that stripes help zebras recognize each other, but plenty of animals with solid colored coats recognize their relatives perfectly well, so that idea didn't hold up either. The real answer seems to be a 2-for-1 evolutionary deal. 1. Natural air conditioning. Black and white stripes absorb and release heat differently. This creates tiny convection currents, micro airflows, across the zebra's body. Basically, a built-in cooling system. A recent study comparing zebra habitats in 16 regions found a clear pattern. The hotter the climate, the more pronounced the stripes. 2. Insect defense. Stripes also help zebras avoid biting flies, a huge problem for any large grazing animal. These insects carry diseases that can be deadly. Here's how it works. Dark surfaces reflect horizontally polarized light, which biting flies love. White surfaces reflect unpolarized light, which flies find less appealing. A zebra is both dark and light, and that contrast seems to confuse insects. To test this, researchers in Hungary and Sweden painted boards in different patterns and coated them with glue. The striped boards caught significantly fewer flies than the solid-colored ones. The same effect showed up when scientists tested 3D horse models with different coat patterns. We still don't know exactly why stripes disrupt insect vision, but the effect is real, and it gives zebras a major survival advantage. So what color is a zebra really? It might look like they're white with black stripes, especially when you look at the belly. But embryonic studies show that zebras start out black, and the white stripes develop later. In fact, many animals were originally darker in evolutionary history and lightened over time. Zebras just took that trend in a stylish new direction. And that's baby science for you.